Inside these naturally split shells is the small green nut loved around the world as pistachio. The growing season begins with clusters of tiny flowers developing across the branches as pistachio. After flowering, tiny green pistachios begin forming in dense clusters. As the season continues, the nuts become larger and fuller inside their protective shells. As they ripen, the outer shells change color and naturally begin to split open. The mature clusters are collected, cleaned, and prepared for the next stage of processing. From tiny flowers to the familiar green pistachio, every nut carries an amazing journey of growth.